We would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor, Goldie Blocks, who partnered with us to make this video. Have you heard the news? Little Froggy, aka Bella, is on a new episode of Fast Forward Girls by Goldie Blocks. Roll the footage.
Hi, my name is Mandy Harvey, and this is Fast Forward Girls.
I'm Bella. Today is going to be lots of fun. I have no idea what's going to happen.
Okay, I'm gonna press this button.
What? What? That's crazy.
Yeah, and this one's yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
No way.
Wow, she is learning about new ways to experience and enjoy music, which is giving me an idea for a craft. Let's make a glow-in-the-dark violin for our dolls using recycled paperboard. I start by sketching out the shape of a violin. I just made the body first. Cut it out, trace it to make more. Stack and glue them together, trace around it on the paperboard, then flip it over and trace the other side. Label one back, carefully cut them out, and remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Draw S shapes on the other, carefully cut them out. Take the stack of paperboard and sand the edges smooth. Use a marker to color some of the top black, so that when you put the top on, it's dark behind it. Paint the top and back with a neon colored paint. Glue them to the stack of paperboard. Continue painting so it starts to look like one piece. Cut strips of paperboard. On one, I drew small tabs out to the side, then cut it out to look like pegs. We are taking some creative liberties with our violin to look like some of the new designs. Take the one with the pegs and stack a few layers of the paperboard on top to make the neck. Paint it. I made another shorter stack of paperboard and I painted it green. I am going to glue this on the back of the neck, then glue the neck onto the body. On a piece of paperboard, draw the chin rest and a tail piece. Cut them out. I painted them black. Glue down the tail piece first, then add the chin rest. I put a tiny drop of glue on the end for an end pin. Paint it black. Use glow-in-the-dark glitter glue to paint all the green parts with a generous layer. Cut a small piece of a popsicle stick, press it into the glue, and allow it to dry. While waiting, draw a bow on paperboard. Cut it out, glue it back on the paperboard, and cut it out a few times. Paint it, take thread, cover it in white school glue. Once dried, trim it, glue it onto the paperboard, paint on details to make the bow. Our glow-in-the-dark glue is dry, so I remove the wire from wire ribbon, curl one end, glue it onto the violin, to make a miniature violin that glows in the dark. Thank you for joining us while we explored new ways for our dolls to experience music and made this glow-in-the-dark violin inspired by 3D printed violins. Be sure to head over to Goldie Blocks' YouTube channel and join Little Froggy on her own musical journey in an episode of Fast Forward Girls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.